Hey guys, Alex Ryan here, and quick video of today is take some sort of action. And I'm down here in beautiful Sydney Harbour, which is one of my favorite places to work out of, and I get inspired when I come down here. I see a lot of people working from their laptops. I see a lot of people enjoying themselves, but also working as well. And this is really, selling on Amazon, it really is a lifestyle business. If you're looking to get something up and running online where you can work from anywhere, then selling on Amazon certainly is one of those products, one of those businesses you can get involved in. And I'm just looking at this beautiful cruise ship right there. I see them all the time here. There's heaps of them, right? Every second day there's another cruise ship coming into the beautiful harbour that we have right here in Sydney. And you know, I look at these cruise ships, and a couple of years ago I used to wonder, like, what kind of people are going on these cruise ships? Because a couple of years ago it certainly wasn't me, right? I wasn't one of those people that jumped on these cruise ships, right? And I've cruised a lot since then, obviously, but imagine being on those cruise ships and actually having something that does generate you income. Imagine actually jumping on this cruise ship and while the end of the cruise ship, your cruise, your fees have actually been paid for, and your whole, your cruise card has been paid for. Imagine having a business where by the end of the cruise, because you've been making money while on the cruise, it's being paid for. And imagine having a business like that, because there are a lot of businesses like that, right? Amazon is one of those, but Amazon is actually a business where anyone can jump onto it, right? Without any skill. And that's what I love about it, where you don't necessarily need to be smart. You don't need to be very, in terms of cluey, because some people are like, oh, I don't know how to sell on Amazon. I don't know how to choose the right products, right? Let me tell you guys, a little secret here for you, right? The boring, everyday household stuff actually does really well, right? Boring, everyday household stuff, right? People are selling toilet rolls, right? Dog pooping bags, right? There's a lot of different products out there, but I'm just saying, the basic products are actually good sellers, the ones that generate a lot of income and replenishable income as well. So imagine jumping on a cruise ship like that, or imagine working from Opera Bar or any place and being able to work, pull out your laptop and actually get something done, get work accomplished while you are here. And I think Amazon is a fantastic lifestyle business, guys. So yeah, enjoy the rest of your day. Hope you're having a really good day so far as well. And if you want more information, don't forget to check out, we've got a webinar on at our website. We do a lot of free training, so please join that. If you have any questions, feel free to drop us a line at the office as well. 02 8003 7534. Have a fantastic day. Bye-bye for now.